Habe dir YouTube. I bought a portable tank that's pressurized by battery for the big angle grinder and for the pressure washer, because the pressure washer you saw in the previous video uses battery power to suck out of a bucket or anything else, or a water source. And I hope that with the pressurizer, with the big tank, it will use more power for blowing and not for sucking, if that makes sense. Okay, so let me unpack it and come back to you. This is how it's packaged. There was a little bit of carton on top. This is how it sits in there. I think that's a handle. Yeah. So it looks big and massive. Documentation. And I get rid of the wrapper and come back to you. All right. So here's the battery compartment. I think it's big enough for a 15 amp hour battery. There's a hose and a nozzle attached to it, which is a cool idea, so it has a standalone purpose. So you can spray water, like watering plants and stuff. It has a wireless connectivity link, which is super cool. The on and off switch. A big mouth to fill. This is the push button for the wireless connectivity, so I can attach that to my wrist while pressure washing or cutting with the angle grinder and just start the water flow and stop the water flow. This is awesome, very thoughtful. This is the tank. This is a little, how you call it, a mesh or like a sieve for catching debris and contaminated water. And so far so good. That's very cool and thoughtful. And there you go. A pressurized or a pump with a water tank. So you can run all your wet cutting tools. And I mainly bought it for the pressure washer, so the pressure washer doesn't need energy to suck out of buckets. So we'll test it and we'll see. This is just how it's connected via the remote. This handle actually looks like the angle grinder. And the angle grinder is of course then attached to this one. Maybe let's see how this works. Yeah, we call it in Germany, we have a company that's producing those. It's called Gardena. That's like the normal Gardena. I think it's 1/2 inch connector. And yeah, that's cool. So also this has multi-purpose use, and nozzle attached is cool. Remote control is cool. Let me think what you think, please, in the comments. And until next time, or maybe until the test. Don't know when, because the weather is bad here in Germany now. It's too cold for pressure washing, and we'll see. I have several reviews coming of the long-awaited 500i video, and I hope I have more time on my hands now to produce more videos. Like and subscribe. Habe dir, and please comment. Vierte.